The need that you crave in a relationship is the need that you didn't get as a child. What are you most desperate to receive in a relationship from your partner? Whether it's affection, attention, validation, or acceptance, it often mirrors what you didn't receive as a child. If your parents didn't give you enough attention or acceptance, you will crave attention or acceptance from your partner. But no matter how much reassurance or love you get from your partner, it will never be enough to fill the bottomless void. The first step to fixing this is recognizing your needs. Blaming your parents or your partner is not going to fix anything. Find out what makes you desperate and insecure. We need to realize that our unmet needs influences how we interact with our partner. Instead of expecting your partner to completely fulfill these needs, we need to be conscious and aware of what we crave. You need to release the stored emotion from the loss and change the meanings from the past that have kept those wounds in place. It's not a problem, rather an opportunity to build a deeper, more fulfilling relationship with our partner and, more importantly, ourselves.